आं मलेन बसुमतारी आसामनि गिबि सारिनि सानसेयारि खौरांलाइफोरनि गेजेराव आं गिबियावनो फरायनो आखायाव लादों सानसेयारि बड'लेण्ड इंखं। दा बिनि गाहाय रादाबफोरा जाबाय गिबियावनो दं जोंसार मुसाहारिनि न'आव बिपिएफनि थान्दै हान्जा। दा बिनि उनाव दं इनायनि हेंथायै गसंथानो ओंखारबोनाया मोजां नाथाय बेखौ लानानै राजनिति दाखालाम बुंदों रोमदोन बसुमतारी। दा बिनि उनाव दं रायजोआव 3,000 सोरखारि फरायसालिफोरा बन्द जानायनि लामायाव 14,000सो फोरोंगिरि मावफारियाफोरनि मासिया गुबुनजों सरजाब जागोन। दा बिनि उनाव दं कक्राझाराव सा 57 फलानफोरा आखाइ दैखांदों। आरो बिनि उनाव दं तामुलपुराव सा 2 कक्राझार जिल्लानि गुबुन गुबुन जायगानिफ्राय सा 3 ULB सोद्रोमा हमदों। दा बिनि उनाव दं मुसलपुर महकुमा हा-हुनि बोसोनारि आफादनि थिसनलाइ रानदों। बिनि उनाव दं मिरुनि आखाइ इसान बिफाननि मन्थ्रि दर्शना बिक्रम जारदसआ बिटिआरआव दावबायफैदों। दा बिनि उनाव दं डिमाकुसियाव अमा मिशननि सांग्रांथि मेल सानसेयाव 1 लाख केजि अमा बेदर दिहुननो थांखि लादों मनज बसुमतारी। आरो बिनि उनाव दं गुबुन गुबुन दाबिखौ लानानै एबसुआ बड'लेण्ड मुलुगसोलोंसालिनि भिसिनो खौरांलाइ गथायदों। दा सानसेयारि बड'लेण्ड इंखंनि गाहाय रादाबा बेनोसै। दा बिनि उनाव दं दा बड'लेण्ड एक्सप्रेस। दा बड'लेण्ड एक्सप्रेसनि गिबि खौराङानो जाबाय 45 high school to be upgraded to higher secondary soon. Assam's Education Minister Ronoj Phegu announced on Wednesday that 45 high schools in the state will be upgraded to higher secondary schools very soon. The approval of the upgradation for 45 high school to higher secondary schools was announced by the Secondary Education Department in a notification dated September 21, 2021. The notification also detailed the conditions that must be fulfilled by high school to be upgraded to higher secondary schools. The conditions include 1. There should not be any amalgamation proposal. 2. There should be a minimum of 2 additional classrooms available. 3. There must be a minimum of 4 members of graduate teachers having postgraduate degree in a minimum 4 core subjects. 4. There shall not be any new post creations. 5. No financial grant shall be given to the upgrade schools immediately. 6. The school must give an undertaking that they will run higher secondary classes with the existing qualified faculty having postgraduate degree. Earlier, Phegu stated at an event that by 2022, all Assam high school will be upgraded to higher secondary schools. Phegu posted detail about the high school upgrades on his official Twitter account. दा बिनि उनाव दं all national parks tourist spot to open in Assam from October 1. The COVID-19 restrictions will be further relaxed from October 1 in Assam. Kaziranga National Park and other parks like Orang, Pobitora, Manas will be open for the tourists from the said date. This was stated by Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma in Bokakat on Wednesday. Taking note of the COVID-19 numbers coming down in the state, the government has decided to give more relaxation to various business. Tourism and related business were badly hit by the COVID-19. We would like to open this sector so as to provide relief to the people who are running this business. Dr. Sharma told reporters meanwhile in Kaziranga. Da bini unaw dong post amalgamation around 3,000 schools will cease to exist in Assam. The Assam government will shut down around 3,000 schools in the state. This will be done with a view to scarcity standard teachers pupil ratio, optimum service of the employees, saving administrative cost and other logistic support of the government-run schools. The state education department has decided that the school situate in the same campus or in any nearby area shall be amalgamated, merged, and all the schools shall be broke into one single administrative and academic unit. Taking to reporters, Assam Education Minister Dr. Ronos Pegu said, "We are trying to merge school where the number of students is less. Also, the distance between the schools in the area will be kept in mind for amalgamation. The process is on we will start the class 9 to 12 schools. It is during this merging of schools some of the schools will cease to exist. The proposal has come for around 3,000 schools." The video now down. Assam by polls 5 seats finalists BJP to contest from 4, UPPL 1. The Bharatiya Janata Party will contest in 4 constituencies in the soon to be held by polls in Assam. The Saffron Party will put up candidates from Majuli, Taura, Moriani and Bhawanipur constituencies. BJP's alliance partner UPPL will put up its candidate from Tamilpur. On who will contest from Gosaigaon, the BJP and UPPL have to reach a consensus, and deliberations are on. The Gosaigaon seat fell vacant after Bड'ल People's Front MLA Majendra Narzari died due to post-COVID-19 complications in May this year. Third, the official announcement is yet to be made. Almost confirmed that from Taura, Susanto Borgohai, from Mariani, Rasjoiti Kurmi, and from Bhawanipur, Fanidhar Talukdar will be given the BJP nomination. Now, we know 57 posters of Raimuna National Park surrenders. At least 57 posters of the Raimuna National Park surrendered to the Bड'ल Territorial Council of Assam on Wednesday. The posters who surrendered on the occasion of World Rhino Day were present with a check of Rs 50,000 asked to help sustain livelihood. Taking to Twitter, BTR chief Pramod Bora said, hand over Rs 50,000 ex gratia issued to handloom cluster to 57 posers who surrender their arms at a ceremony at Raimuna National Park on World Rhino Day today. Our government is committed to take every possible step to make poaching free BTR. The Bड'ल Express ni gai खौरां एसेनोसै दा आं बिनि उनाव फरायनो लादों The Assam Tribune. दा गिबियावनो दं to kill in police firing during eviction drive. दा बेयाव दं two person succumbed to bullet injuries while several others, including at least 8 security personnel, got injured when a protest demonstration against an eviction at Nong Tree, Dholpur village under Chipadzhar revenue circle near here turned violent today, forcing the police to open fire to disperse the unruly mob. The deceased have been identified as Saddam Hussein and Sheikh Farid. One police personnel, Maniruddin Ahmed, sustains severe injuries and has been rushed to Guwahati Medical College and Hospital from Mangalday Civil Hospital in the critical conditions. Two other policemen, Amya Gogoi and Manas Pratim Borua, were also injured when the mob attacked them. The death toll may increase as the condition of a few among those injured is stated to be critical. The incident took place around 1:30 p.m. when Brazenjit Singha, DIG Assam Police Central West Region, was trying to pacify the protester after they put strong resistance to a team of civil administration and police in carrying out eviction at Nong Tree, Dholpur village. The meaning of Gopt keen on bringing Alpha for negotiation. The United Liberation Front of Assam is showing positive intent and the government is also serious on bringing the outfit for talks. This gives hope for a solution to the 4-decade-long problem. Highly fledged security sources point out that in recent times, the Alpha has been showing positive intent for talks, and after the Union Home Minister asked Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma to hold initial talks with the outfit, Alpha Chief Forest Borua did not give any negative statement. Immediately after assuming office as the Chief Minister, Sharma appealed to the Alpha to come for talks, and the outfit reciprocated, declaring a unilateral ceasefire for 3 months, which was later extended by another 3 months. For the first time since its formation, the Alpha did not give a call for burnt on the last Independence Day, which was also a positive development. The Binurong Modi meets leading American CEOs from key sectors. Prime Minister Narendra Modi began his engagement in the US on Thursday by meeting with leading American CEOs from 5 different key sectors and highlight the economic opportunities in India. Modi, who arrived here on Wednesday on an official visit to the US, during which he will hold the first face-to-face meeting with President Joe Biden and his deputy Kamala Harris, held on non-meeting with CEOs of Qualcomm, Adobe, First Solar, General Atomics, and Blackstone here. Two of them are Indian Americans, Santanu Narayan from Adobe and Vivek Lal from General Atomics. Three others are Cristiano E. Amon from Qualcomm, Mark Widmar from First Solar, and Stephen A. Scoresman from Blackstone. दिनैनि खौरां फरायथिनाया एसेनोसै। गोजोन्थों।
10, 9